How to install 3-light rustic drum chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Thread the screws through the iron plates and tighten the screws to connect the iron frames. Screw stem and upper fixture loop assembly onto the lower fixture loop assembly. Attach the quick links to connect iron rods and the iron plates. Hang the other end of iron rod on the iron hook of the upper fixture loop assembly. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.